Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, Commands in Logo. So before we start this chapter, let's learn what are commands. So commands are the instructions that we provide to the computer. Commands are the instruction that we provide to the computer. So here in this chapter, when we provide command, the command goes to the turtle of MSW logo, and see, the turtle works after listening to the command. So whatever the command we are providing, the command is executed by the turtle. Okay, so all the commands in logo are written in commander input box. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's start MSW logo. For this, what are the steps? First of all, click on start button, click on all programs. From here, just look at the folder Microsoft Windows logo. Just make a click on it, and here under this folder you're finding Microsoft Windows logo. Make a click, you'll find this logo screen. Just click on OK, and see here MSW logo screen is started. Okay, now see here, this screen is divided into two parts. The first part, the upper part, is known as the main screen, that contains a turtle at the center. Okay, this center position is the home of the turtle. Now the other part is the commander window. Commander window is divided into two parts. One is the recall list box and other is the command input box. So whatever the command we are writing in this part only. Okay, so let's start the commands in logo. So first of all, we are going to learn about forward command. Forward command or backward commands are also known as moving commands. So let's start with forward command. So forward command is written as FD. In short, we are calling forward as FD. So type FD here, provide a space and type any number of steps. So we are typing 50 here, and see the position of the turtle is here only. Now we have written FD space 50. Click on execute or press enter key. So I am just pressing enter key from my keyboard, and see what happens. This turtle is moving forward by 50 steps. It moves forward by 50 steps. Okay, now again we are using FD command, and this time I am typing FD space 100, and see what happens. I'm just clicking on execute button. See here, it moves by 100 steps now. Clear? Similarly, we can use forward command wherever it is required. Okay, now next is the backward command. Next is the backward command, and the short name of backward is BK command. Short name of backward is BK command. So I'm typing here BK space, and see what happens. In total we have written 50 plus 100 in FD command, and see this time I'm just typing 150 backward by 150, and see what will happen. I've written 150 and then pressing my key, and see what happens. My turtle comes back by 150 steps. Comes back by 150 steps. Now again I'm typing BK backward by 50 step, and see what will happen. Enter. It comes down by 50 steps again. See here, we have learned that forward command is known as FD command and backward command is known as BK command. It helps you to move your turtle forward or backward to draw lines. okay, or to draw figures. Now we have different sets of command, that is turning command. Now we are going to learn about turning command. In this turning command, we are going to learn how to move our turtle to right or to left. Okay, now see here. So turning commands are right or left command. It helps you to turn your turtle to right or left. So right command has a short name as RT command. Right command has a short name as RT command. So we are going to type RT space, and then I'm going to move my turtle to 40 steps or 50 steps. Let's make it move 50 steps. Okay, press enter key and see it moves to 50 degree. It moves to 50 degree. Again I'm going to turn it to RT, that is right, by more 40 degrees. See, enter, press enter and see it moves 80 degree. Okay, now see here, whenever we are using RT or LT command, right command or left command, whatever the steps we are providing, this is not step, these are degrees. These are degrees. So now I'm going to draw a rectangle using right or left or forward or backward command. Okay, so here I'm just going to move my turtle forward. From here I'm going to move my turtle forward. So I'm going to type FD space, and this time I'm going to write 100 steps and see what happens. It goes to the 100 steps. Now I'm going to turn my turtle to the right. Again I'm going to not this time I'm not going to turn my turtle to the right, I'm going to turn my turtle to the left. So I'm going to type LT command, LT space 90 degrees, enter. Okay, now in total we had this line as 100, 50 and 50, 200. So I'm going to type FD space 200 and press enter key and see where my turtle goes. Okay, now see here, now this time we are going to use which command? LT command. So again type LT space 90, press enter, it moves to 90 degree. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line. Okay, so I'm going to use FD command, FD space 100, enter, and see what have we got here. What have we got here? We have got a rectangle here. We have got a rectangle here, and see here we can see here, this is what? This is the turtle. So we need to hide the turtle. So there are some commands to hide and show the turtle. To hide your turtle, you can type HT. And press enter, and see here your turtle is hidden and only the rectangle is visible. Now again, if you want to draw anything, what you can do? You can bring your turtle back on the screen by typing ST command, that is show turtle command. Write ST and press enter. Once you are typing ST and pressing enter, and see what you are getting here, your turtle is back on the screen. Again, if you want to hide, HT command, enter, hidden. If you want to show, ST command, enter, it is showing. So like this, today we are going to learn up to 5 commands, that is forward command, backward command, right command, left command, hide turtle and show turtle. Sorry, it is 6 commands. So we have learned today 6 commands. Okay, so in the next class we will be learning some more commands. So till then, thank you.